Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy method to convert MOV to MP4 in laptop PC computer. Whether you're editing videos, sharing them with friends, or uploading them online, converting MOV to MP4 ensures better compatibility. Let's dive straight into it. The first step is downloading VLC Media Player, which is a free software used for playing and converting various media files. To do this, open your browser. Once it is opened, and type in VLC Media Player. Make sure to click on the official website, which is videoland.org. Let's click on that link. Now that we're on the official VLC page, click on the Download VLC button. This software works on Mac, Windows, and even other operating systems, so it's widely accessible. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a moment to download. Once it's done, I'll show you how to install and use it. Now that VLC has finished downloading, let's open the Downloads folder. You should see the VLC installer there. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Installing VLC is super easy. Just follow the instructions that pop up, and it should be done in a few moments. Once the installation is complete, VLC should launch automatically, but if it doesn't, don't worry. You can simply search for it by typing VLC or Media Player in your system's search bar. Now, let's get started with the conversion. Open VLC and head to the top left corner. Click on Media, and from the drop-down, select Convert Save. This will open a new window where we can add the file we want to convert. Next, click on Add to find the MOV file you want to convert. I've already prepared a file, so I'll select it. Once you've chosen your file, click on Open. With the file added, the next step is to click on Convert Save again. Now, this is where you have to be careful. Make sure you select the correct profile. If you choose the wrong one, you might end up converting it to MP3, which isn't what we want. Scroll through the options and select H.264 plus MP3. This is the profile that will give us an MP4 file. It combines video and audio correctly. Next, we need to choose where to save the converted file. Then click on Browse. I'm going to save mine to the Downloads, but you can choose any location you prefer. Make sure to give it a name that you'll recognize on the bottom, and don't forget to add MP4 at the end of the file name to ensure it saves as an MP4. I'll call mine Finished MP4. And now we're ready to start the conversion. Then click on Save. Now that everything is set up, click on Start, and you'll see a blue progress bar at the bottom of the VLC window. This shows that the conversion is happening. Once the blue bar reaches the end, your file will be fully converted. Let's close VLC and check the file. And here's the converted file. As you can see, it's now in MP4 format. You can open it, share it, or use it in any project that requires an MP4 file. And that's Convert MOV to MP4 in laptop PC computer. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to drop a like and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.